Hello everybody, you are welcome to MSI EduTech online home lesson. I'm so happy to be in your class once again. Remember, this is calculus series, and in our previous class I explained differentiation, and I told you that we have 5 methods of solving differentiation, and today we are going to focus on first principle. In our previous episode 1, I taught you something about general equation, and today we are going to focus on first principle. So let's see what first principle is all about. Now, the first principle, the formula is y plus dy equals to n bracket x plus dx raised to power n. Don't get confused. This is just mathematics. When you calm down, you'll be able to reason very well. Now, how can we apply this first principle? That is what we want to look at now. So let's take a look at this example. Are you ready? I know you are ready. Okay. For the first principle, we are going to apply this formula. Remember, y plus the y equals to n bracket x plus the x raised to power n. Now, we are going to do something, and what is that? N is 2 here, and n here is 1. It's talking about the power. You need to understand that. So y plus the y equals to n here, which is this, is 3. That means we have 3 bracket x plus the x. The square is outside, which is 2 here, 2. This is for days. Try and understand. For days. Now, for minus x, since we don't have any coefficient at the front of x, sorry for saying that, we have 1 coefficient, minus 1 at the front of x. So what are we going to do? This will give us minus bracket x plus the x raised to power 1, because we have 1 here. I hope you are getting me. Then this plus 5. Now, when we're using general equation, I told you that 2 is constant. It has no effect while solving the question. But now, this 5 here, it will go a long way. So please don't just throw it away. So what are we going to do? We are going to have y plus the y equals to 3x plus the x, x plus the x. I hope you are not getting confused. You just square this, x plus the x square. It means x plus the x, x plus the x. That is x in 2 places. So this will give us minus this one, x, put it in bracket, plus the x plus 5. It's getting tough. No, just calm down. Now, y plus the y equals to 3. Now we want to open this bracket. Now please pay attention here. If you miss it here, everything is a 0. So you need to pay attention while opening this bracket. So let's do it together. This x multiply this x, we have x squared. This x multiply this dx, we have plus x dx, then remain this, we have plus here, am I right? Okay, plus x times the x, we are going to have x the x. Are you following? Okay. Then this the x, multiply the x, we have plus the x squared, then minus x minus times plus will give us minus the x plus 5. It's very long, but if you know it, it will not be long. So what are we going to do? This one will give us y plus the y equals to 3. Okay, sorry, I have not closed my bracket. X squared plus x dx, x dx, it will give us 2x dx plus the x squared, close the bracket, minus x minus the x plus 5. So y plus the y will give us 3. Okay, let's open the brackets now. Why open this bracket? Something you need to be very careful. This 3 we multiplied x squared. You have 3x squared plus 3 multiplied by 2, we have 6x the x. 3 multiplied by the x squared, we have 3 the x squared minus x minus the x plus 5. You can see that my board is filled up. So let's continue from here. The last we have here is y plus the y equals to 3x squared plus 6x dx plus 3 dx squared minus x minus dx plus 5. Now we need to go back to our question. The question given to us is y equals to 3x squared minus x plus 5. This is the question given to us. So wherever we see y here, we replace it with what? 3x squared minus x plus 5. I believe you are not confused, right? I believe. So this will give us 3x squared minus x plus 5 plus this dy plus the y equals to, you repeat this, we have 3x squared plus 6x dx plus 3 dx squared minus x minus dx plus 5. Right? Now, something will happen here. This is the x squared. This is the x squared. Minus x, we cancel minus x. Plus 5, we cancel plus 5. And what remain? We have the y. The y will remain 6x dx plus 3 dx squared minus the x. Wow, this is getting interesting. You can do this. Just pay attention. So what are we going to do now? Divide both sides by the x. So dy all over the x will give us 6x the x all over the x plus 3 the x squared all over the x minus the x all over the x. So something will happen here. This will cancel each other. You know we have the x squared here and we have only single the x here. So this will cancel this. It will remain 1 the x. Okay? This the x will cancel this the x. What's left here is 6x. So that is telling you that this will give us the y all over the x equals to 6x plus 3 the x minus 1. I believe you understand that, right? Now, you need to understand something. There's what we call lim. The x equal to 0. In the next video, I'm going to explain more about this lim, but just accept this for the purpose of this class. Now, since the x equals to 0, that means the y all over the x will give us 6x plus 3 bracket 0 minus 1. So the y all over the x will give us 6x minus 1. So this will be our answer. I believe you understand this class. In case you find it difficult, I trust you are not going to find this topic very difficult, because I know you always follow my class. But if you find it difficult, you can go over this video all over again and you will discover that it's very easy. Just follow the step and the principle. Thank you very much. Till I see you next class for more questions and more solution on calculus. Thank you very much. Bye.